Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an effective belly fat cutter drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add 2 cloves. Cloves has a lot of antioxidants. These fight against free radicals which damage your cells. Cloves reduce the risk of developing heart diseases, diabetics and certain types of cancer. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. This ginger contains gingerol which have powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, open and check. Remove the cloves from the drink. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. Finally, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. You will need about half a lemon. Give it a good mix and your fat cutter drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this belly fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.